Good morning, friends. Happy Friday! Woohoo! We should change this to reflect the actual day. It was raining at the bus stop again. It's just a non-stop ride. Now there's a hurricane down in Florida moving into Georgia. I'm thinking that my jeans, which are shipping from Georgia, are not coming anytime soon. They just need to stay safe down there. Anyway, wanted to check in and show you Gustav. I'm starting to feel slightly hopeful that we have passed the crisis. So let's check on our leaves that were yellow. There's this one. It still looks the same to me. We had two over here. One had these spots. They look about the same to me, and this one was, like, it's hard to tell, but it's yellowy. But other than that, I don't see anything. And there's new growth on the vines. It's hard to show. Let's take a look at them up here. I still have my suit. I didn't put any makeup on it. I wanted to try to get better on its own for as long as possible. So I'll put makeup on before my errands and then I'll wash it again later. But yeah, it looks like there's some newer leaves coming up down here. These guys. I did not water it. I just misted it last night. So now that's my next thing to figure out when I can start watering it again. I think I will move up to misting the top layer of the soil till it's damp, but not fully watering it yet. But yeah, I think we're making it through. I'm not sure how this guy's doing because there's a little bit of darkness on that tip. So I'm not sure if that particular vine is going to keep growing. But I hadn't really noticed much going on the others. This one's fine. I guess this one, I can't really tell. But I feel like we're doing pretty good. And let's see this. I don't see anything yet, but I know you have to soak them for quite a while. It does look like it's trying to grow. I don't know if that will continue to grow. Anyway, I don't know if you care about Gustav, but he's doing pretty good. Everybody else seems good. I've been rotating Claude. I mistakenly called Henri Claude. But yeah, I'm going to chill for a bit, then I'm going to do errands and take Jack's part way to school. Hello, my friends. I just made it to the dollar store. I've been planning out trunk or treat stuff. I actually just pulled this giant thrifted puppet theater out of the basement, and I'm wondering if I can use that as like a sturdy underlayer to make a beanbag toss game. I'll have to show it to you. But yeah, I'm gonna put you down because I need to hands, but I'm hoping they have foam core board. Hello. I'm dropping off a sample for Ziggy Segall.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Alright. I have gotten some foam cord board and I've dropped off a poo-poo sample at the vet. It's still raining, but I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I was originally planning to look for something to use as a stand, like a magazine rack or a crate or something for the beanbag toss, but I also wanted to look at the clothes and whatnot, so I'm gonna still go anyway. We'll see what we find. Hello everyone, this is a weird place to show you what I got at the thrift store, but here we are, because I was about to throw things in the laundry. Let me see. I had a bowl. Where did I put the bowl? Oh, I remember. So I'm still looking for a good pot for my string of pearls. This is 5 inches and maybe a little too shallow, but I did like it. It was $2.50, so I grabbed it. I can even just use it to hold things if I don't end up using it for succulents. So there's that. And the one other object is in the freezer. I got some Cascade 220 sport weight wool, so it's going in the freezer to kill off any buggies. But then I just got adult clothes. I couldn't find anything else. I'm buzzing. Only 2 cars. Oh, he's inspecting my Durango while taking it to an inspection place. So I found a Vans flannel and messaged Danny if he wanted it, because it was in the women's section. Love that spill there. Beautiful. But it's obviously men's. It's huge. So he said go ahead and get it, and if it ends up too small, since it's like tailored fit, he is typically a medium. I think it's gonna be fine. This is me putting it on over this bulky sweater that's women's medium sweater. Let's see. I think it might be okay, but otherwise it's gonna be mine. We decided it was worth the price. And hi. Here's what I got for me. I couldn't find anything for Sebastian for once. Usually it's all for him. So I got this t-shirt. Have not tried anything on. I got this again with the Y2K. Oh, I didn't cut off this one tag. It was 50% off because of the green tag it has. It's see-through. You would wear a tank top under it. Smells like laundry. But I love it. I love stars and moons. We'll see how it looks on me. I don't know. This is a size small from American Eagle Outfitters. I always love this kind of tank top. They're also good for wearing to the office. You throw in a little cardigan. And this, I wish you could feel it. It is just a simple gray sweater, but it is so soft. It's 100% cashmere. It says it's Mongolian cashmere crew neck. So I've got some things that have to be pulled out to line dry. And this is technically hand wash. I'm just gonna put it on the hand wash cycle so I can just get everything washed. Everything I get from the thrift store gets a thorough wash before I wear it. But yeah, that's my pile, which is now piled up on the counter. But I've been working on my computer. I had some work to do, and then I was going back to trunk or treat stuff. I'm making the digital files that I'm gonna get printed. The biggest thing right now is making the pattern of the nether portal. But here's the puppet theater that I'm gonna turn into a beanbag tile, so I'll have some holes in that area. It did have like a decorative sign that was like up here, but I unscrewed it, tightened up the screws that were loose, and it's just a frame on 3 sides, and I'm gonna build a frame on 3 sides out of foam board, but then also have a 4th side, the top, so it just sets over it. And I think I'm too lazy to undo the whole thing to take these curtains out, so I'm probably going to fold them up, roll them up so they're out of the way. But yeah, I was trying to think of what I could do to have a sturdy base like this, and that popped into my head. It's been in the basement because I need to donate it or give it away, and we're using it. I'm glad I hadn't. I got this from the thrift store when Jax was really little, so we've had it for a long time, and it was in the playroom off and on, but it's one of those things that gets cycled out and hasn't come back since. They're all kind of old. But Sebastian just came home, got a great review from his teacher for the week, which I love to hear. I'm so glad his IEP is working. He's working hard. Everything we put into place is going well. And he got good grades. They have it's not an A/B system yet. So it's like a 4-point scale, and he has a lot of 3.5, so that I'm happy with that. But I am gonna go sit in my comfy chair for a little bit, as I do in the late afternoon when I've been on my computer too long and I'm hurting. So I will see you later. Alright everyone, I'm gonna say goodnight. I'm looking a little rough, but I had a nice bath. I watched Jax in a geometry jazz tournament and watched some videos, refereed some kid drama. I don't know, talking over their watches, Minecraft drama. Luckily, their friend's mom is super nice and understanding too. Everybody's just really tired. It's been a long day, waking up early for school, but Piggy's here. He's barking at every last thing. There's Gustav, doing good. I'm gonna finally give him a little bit of water, I think. Frida, Claude, Henri, looking good. We'll see how he does. And yeah, I'm not gonna blab on for too long. I'm just going to say goodnight, and I will see you tomorrow for Saturday. Not quite sure what we'll get up to, but I'll see you there for now. Okay, take your drink down. Hurry up. Good night, everyone. Stay safe, be kind, and don't forget, wash your hands.